professional. It's like a legit thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Scratch the thing off, clear coat.
Yeah. This is the only one I saw.
You don't really notice unless like you really look.
Well, yeah, and then black gets like dirty fast.
Yeah.
But when it's clean, you could definitely...
You could see it when it's clean, yeah. When I was putting it together, that's when I saw most of it. Because everything was clean, fresh. No. Oh, to sand it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now I'm using 15.
15?
Yeah. 1500.
1500.
The one in the back was pretty decent.
Thick?
What?
The one in the back was thicker?
Yeah, but see, like this is out already. It's just because it's black, it's really visible. Yeah, it's black. But you'll see what I mean with these.
You don't need to do it like wet or anything?
No, you don't have to. Some people like it wet.
People like takes less material off when it's wet?
I don't know how to do that. It's a little more smooth. But I don't like that you can't see anything.
Yeah.
He even sands dry, like I sand dry.
He's sanding dry.
A lot of people even sand dry. This is just to make it buff a little bit easier. It gets really hot. Shallow no more. It definitely isn't shallow. It just looks like it. See, it's like 99% off.
Like, kind of still see it, but...
Yeah, it's barely. Here it is. You can see it a little bit.
Yeah, a little tiny bit. buff the whole car. And it still looks so good.
It'll look nutty.
Buff it, keep it in my garage, and just put a cover on it.
But like you'll wash it once.
And it's
You're gonna
soft.
swirl.
Yeah. I heard like you can't wash it in like car washes and stuff because it just scratches the paint. If you wash it, you gotta use like a microfiber or whatever.
Yeah, you can't.
Or if I like ceramic coat, have you ever done that? Do you know what to do? Like, does it protect the paint and stuff?
I don't know much about it.
I heard like if you want a ceramic coat, you gotta wait for like 3 months or something for the paint to fully settle.
You see like that spot? You see how clean it is?
Yeah.
Well, there's a little like deep scratches.
Straight up mirror.
Yeah.
Or like glass.
Sketchy because I've made so many mistakes. Like this edge, like I'm going right here, right? Focused, and then I like just bruh. Get out of here. And the bumper is messed up, so a big scratch on it.
Better to do this when everything's off, yeah?
Yeah,
Like right after paint.
Not after paint. Like you have to wait for it to dry.
Yeah,
Especially with this clear coat.
couple days, yeah.
Yeah, usually, yeah. This clear coat's mad thick. And it's like, usually clear coat dries out. This one, it has a lot of solids, so it doesn't really evaporate. See like that. I'm telling you, bro, it's gay. It's okay, bro. Look, you see it?
Yeah,
it's
it's fine. Good point.
That's how good it is. And you're working with like a high-speed machine.
So I gotta do the whole car like this, or just this trunk?
Well, it depends on what you want. You want it to be like mirror?
I want it to be like bussin'.
You do this.
You gotta sand the whole car.
But luckily, when it's like a thicker orange peel, which is considered quality, it's harder to buff. Here, like it's out. It should be out already. You could see that. Right here, it becomes a little grainy, but right here, there's no grain.
Ah, I see.
See that?
Yeah.
That no grain area.
It's like smoothens it out pretty much, the clear coat.
Yeah. That no grain area. The busting area.
Bussin'?
And usually, it would take much longer if it was thick. Stand right here. That don't look not thick, you know?
Yeah. No, it definitely just fixed it, for sure.
So,
Because it was like, I don't know if you could tell the difference. Could kind of see it, but
it looks thick.
like
now,
this
you
side's
know?
like super smooth and glossy.
Yeah.
This side's like wavy. You can see like little dimples.
And those dimples, it's good.
Then this side,
But a regular buff won't do that.
you gotta cut it with the sandpaper.
Yeah.
Bro, I got a lot of work ahead. I want to make this car look absolutely incredible. Jeez, dude.
That's
That looks nice.
So show your boy.
Yeah, I will. Compare the reflections. You can see it. This one's like clear. And then there it's like bumpy. Right here too.
I got it out for the most part. I don't know if you see it, just like